everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since I've worked on the bike, and I promised I'd you people that I would. We're gonna attach a gas tank, and I'm gonna work the bit on the seat. Here's a gas tank right here. So there's a couple tabs here. You gotta put it on. Uh, Bike out. Since I can't see what I'm doing. There. There's the. I use a little bit of this glue here. This is it melts the plastic, so just to let you know. See if I got it right on. Looks like I'm right on. Okay. Okay. That's that part. So, so we got the, see, there's the gas tank. Put that out of the way. I just moved it to the spray booth. I'll be doing a bit more on model building. I've been slacking. I was kind of taking a major break from it. I don't know why, but I have. So, but now we're gonna do this part here. I gotta turn that over right here. This part here. So, and don't mind my breathing. Yeah, I've been kind of smoking a little bit too much lately. So that's my biggest problem. So we gotta look for A. That's right at the bottom, of course. Sorry about that. So this is all the seat. Yeah, good set of connectors like these. They last for a long time. The blades do go dull after a while, but it does take a while before they go dull. So, like, you can go to the dollar store, you can buy a pair there, but the thing is with that, it doesn't work very well. A10. Since this is going to be all one color bike, you don't have to worry about painting. Well, painting certain parts like the motor and exhaust. I already did that, so and I don't got steady hands like I used to either. So I It comes with age, I guess. Okay. So it's that part. I'll probably have to put screws in it, of course. So I'll just forget about this. Screws. Yeah, I'm gonna forget about the screws. Like it's up to you. Like you're not gonna see these screws anyway, so you can bypass certain things in the instructions. Uh, but if you want to follow the instructions, that's totally up to you. Um, I kind of look for an easy way to do it. So you just have to hold that for a while. See, just have to hold that for a while. Sorry, I'm not in frame, but I gotta really range these webcams. There, that's one. Okay. And if you notice, my finger is like brown. That happens a lot when when you're playing a game. You don't realize you're having a cigarette in your hands, and of course it gets too close to the burner of your hand while you're smoking. So that's what happens. So those are the sides of the seat. This is the bottom of the seat right here. Right here. That's the bottom. Oh. So A15. Sorry, I gotta look at the magnifying light in order to see if I'm cutting the right pieces. Okay, two. Okay, let's see. B. Was that possible? Let's see. Oh, that's G. What I need. Okay. D. E. That's J. Oh, that's not K. It might be career path areas. Probably. Yeah. So that's clear plus of the K. But if you ever want to build a bike like this, this is the second time I'm doing it. There's a whole setup from 1 to, I don't know, 46, I think it was. Something like that. So, K2, right here. The K2 is right here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, there are little knobs here. That's all I'm twisting off right now. That's from the mold itself. So, I think has to be painted transparent red. Just to let you know. This one is a little stubborn. Here. Like I'm gonna do this as a premiere, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but more likely I will be. Okay, and G7. And G just a minute ago. There it is. I really gotta clean up this hobby room. G7. Oh, it's right here. That's G7 right there. Okay. So this goes like I guess. Yeah. Well, you gotta make sure all these knobs are off completely, because otherwise it's gonna cause a problem later. Yeah. I hope you people enjoy this. There it is. I'm holding it right now. Takes a while sometimes. Sometimes it won't stick. Sometimes it will. Okay. Looks like it's okay. See? So I just glued all this in. You can use screws if you want to. That's up to the person itself. Whatever, whatever is easier for you. I could have used screws, but I prefer not to. So, well, I gotta let this dry. So, anyways, that's part of it. I hope you people will enjoy this. Any questions you can ask in the premiere. That's totally up to you. But like you can see, there's a seat, part of the seat. I hope you learned something from this. If there's something wrong with my camera views, let me know. I'll try. I'll try it better the next time. So, well, I hope you all enjoy this. Any questions? Just ask them in the premiere, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.